Apple Maps app has got several notable features in iOS 18, and one of my favorite features that the stock Maps app has received is the ability to add a note. You can add an important note to a place you visit so that you'll be able to remember a memorable thing related to it. Don't worry, your notes always remain personal and private. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone or iPad. And now you have to search for a specific place and then tap on it. Then you have to tap on the More button in the menu. And after that, you have to choose Add a Note option in the pop-up menu. And then you have to enter the note. And once you have written your note, make sure to tap on the Done button at the top to finish. Later, if you ever want to edit or get rid of a note, you can do so without any hassle either. To do so, you have to open the Apple Maps app. And then you have to search for the particular place in question and then tap on it. After that, you have to tap on the note. Alternatively, you can tap on the More icon and then choose the Edit Note option. And finally, you can edit the note or altogether delete it as per your needs. In the end, make sure to tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen and you are good to go. So that's how you can easily add a note in the Apple Maps app on your iPhone or iPad. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.